Hello to all my viewers, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today I'll explain how to run gradient boost tree predictor in KNIME. Gradient boosting is a powerful machine learning algorithm used for both regression and classification problem. It is an ensemble method that combines multiple weak models to create a strong model. The basic idea behind gradient boosting is to sequentially add new models to the ensemble, each of which corrects the error made by the previous model. The final model is then a weighted sum of all the models in the ensemble. The algorithm starts with a simple model such as a decision tree and trains it on the training data. The errors made by this model are then calculated and a new model is trained to correct these errors. This process is repeated iteratively with each new model focusing on the errors made by the previous model. Let us try to understand this by a simple diagram. This is the original data set. We are running an algorithm for the classification purpose, but some of the misclassification has happened. You can see in the red dots, two blue dots are there, and in the blue dots section there is one red dot. Now what we will do is we will increase the weights of those which are misclassified or which are the errors, and we will again run the algorithm. So this is done. This is iterated quite number of times until we reach a final classifier in which we get a proper AUC, that is the area under the curve. So this is the way the gradient boost works. Now let's try to understand that how we will be able to do this in KNIME. So first of all, I'll activate input output from here. I'll activate CSV reader node here. I'll double click on it and I'll browse the data set. My dataset is Heart1. Execute. Right click on it and you can see the file table. Now I want to filter some of the variables. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer the previous video to understand the flow of this tutorial. So I'll activate the column filter from here. I'll take all the variables on left hand side. Now I'll consider age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, maximum hours of exercise, heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now I will activate the normalizer from here. As all these variables are on different scales, so configure. Normally we go for mean max normalization. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now I will activate the gradient boost learner, the gradient boost tree learner. Right click on it, configure, make sure that the target column is a heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. I'll activate the tree predictor now, and this tree predictor will get its data from here. Configure, change prediction column name. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again right click on it and see the output data. So this is a prediction done according to the gradient boosting, and this is your original data. So this is a way you can run gradient boost tree predictor in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on KNIME.